Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can enter all vibration settings. You need to start by opening Devices settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Following that, click on this switcher next to Vibrate on ring right away. This way you will disable or enable haptic feedback for incoming calls. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate on silent to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll all the way down, click on haptics and tones, and last but not least, hit this switcher next to System Haptics to disable or enable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!